How ChatGPT revolutionized research and sparked debate. 2 years ago, ChatGPT revolutionized how we interact with AI. Since its release on November 30th, 2022, this chatbot has transformed the lives of researchers worldwide. From academic writing to data analysis, ChatGPT has become an indispensable tool. A recent survey by Wiley revealed that 81% of researchers use ChatGPT, either personally or professionally. It's even estimated that over 60,000 academic papers in 2023 were crafted with the help of large language models like ChatGPT. These tools don't just save time, they let researchers focus on solving the complex questions that truly matter. As James Zhu, an AI researcher at Stanford, puts it, the release of these large language models marked an earth-shattering shift in the research world. But it's not without controversy. Critics worry about potential plagiarism, inaccuracies, and the massive energy consumption of AI systems. From powering breakthroughs to sparking debates, ChatGPT has undeniably changed the game for scientists. What will the next 2 years bring? Subscribe for more insights on tech and innovation.